amendment, central law which you are making an amendment, and it has to await the assent of the President of India, which you have not got till now. So that is not in force. So of course CM said, "Now we fined some people for that and all." I don't know how you can find. I didn't want to enter in debate. If even somebody is doing something wrongly but helping our goals by giving an intimation, let it be so. But technically, if that law has not come into force because it did not receive President's assent, it can't be law which you can enforce and start fining people. So I'd given a suggestion that under subsection of 2 of that section 4 of the Employment Exchange Act, Compulsory Notification of Vacancies Act, I kid mulla एक पारा simply एक notice कर that whenever there is a vacancy, notify the Employment Exchange. And in subsection 4 kid munta, mere fact that you have notified a vacancy does not mean you must fill the vacancy. So that means it's not compulsory. So I said, if you give this kind of a direction, then at least our youth, our people will know inga job asa, tinga job asa, oitle apply.
So
Second, आम्ही इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटात जमीन दितात आणि आम्ही कन्सेशन दितात विदाउट ऑक्शन दितात स्पेशल रेट्स मागीर आमी टॅक्स एक्झॅम्पशन इतले सगळे दितात तांकां आनी आमगे तूं इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट गोंय बांदतात दुसऱ्यांक जॉब दिवपाक सो एटलिस्ट तूं जमीन दिता तेन्ना तांकां कंडिशन घालूं आय एम नॉट सेइंग इन द टॉप टायप ऑफ टायर ऑफ जॉब्स बट एटलिस्ट इन द लोअर लेवल at least 50% should be, and that according to me will sustain in court of law. Dial is a condition. Everything can't be so free, and therefore court will say nothing doing. Either you take it or leave it. You understand? So I am quite confident that it would have passed, but I don't think the government is very serious. And finally we went for a division and we lost in the vote, and we saw that. They are not very genuine about it. Though of course Chief Minister made some statements, he's doing this, that, but they should have stood because it is not a resolution really anti-government. It was a resolution to help आमगे गोंयकारांक help करपाक. नाल्यार आमगे गोंयकार सगळे भायर वयता.
सर एक पोगो बिलाचेर खूब बोवाळ जालो ऑल ऑफ द हावस सुद्दां तुमी गेल्ले मागीर पेपर बीन उडयले कितें तो एक्झॅक्टली तो मॅटर
सो एक हांव सांगता कितें जालें तें हावसान इज वन मॅटर बट माय पर्सनल व्यू हांव एक सांगता कितें आसा तें आमचे चान्स दी उलोवन दी मागीर तुमी कितें ना म्हणटा जाल्यार ना म्हणा तुमी मेजॉरिटीन एगेन्स्ट वोट करतात जाल्यार वोट करात बट आमकां बेश्टो च्या आनी बटाट वडे आनी बटाट वडे खावपाक धाडलो ना असेंब्ली आमकां एक ड्युटी आसा आनी आमचो आमदार विरेश बोरकार म्हणजे कलीग तो असेंब्लीन कसलो पॉयंट काडटा तेन्ना यू हॅव टू गिव अ चान्स टू लिसन टू हिम यू मे एक्सेप्ट यू मे नॉट एक्सेप्ट यू मे ऑल्सो रिजेक्ट सो इवन वेन आय वॉज स्पिकींग आफ्टर दीस ऑन द रोमी लिपी तुम्ही पळयलें आसतलें CM stood up immediately and made something. I said, no, I want to talk. You may give a reply at the end. Then, because of insisting, then in Mullah, okay, you speak, Mullah. That is exactly what we wanted for him also. Let him speak. It was not that there was a technical objection which could come, constitutional objection to that coming up. And it's not anti-constitutional, it's not illegal, a resolution which he was asking. And we would have all been able to express our views. And we could have also shown that what the Chief Minister was showing was not sufficient to meet what he was asking in his private member resolution. But a chance was never given. And I don't even see that there was any voting on it. I don't know what really happened. It's a very confusing situation because there was no vote. There was no even demand to him you withdraw your resolution.
तो पर्सन ऑफ गोवन ओरिजीन ऑलरेडी डिफायन आहा म्हणून सांगला सो एक्झॅक्टली तुमकां कितें खबर आसा ताजेर
डिफायन आशिल्लो जाल्यार डेफिनेशन दाखोवपाचो CMan फ्लोर ऑफ द हावस दाखयला तुमी पळयला एक कोमुनिदाद कायदो दाखयलो तूं म्हाका एक सांग तूं भाटां घेवपाक गेलो जाल्यार कम्युनिटात कायदो दाखयतलो आनी भाट घेतलो सपोज पर्सन ऑफ गोवन ओरिजीन. दुसरें सक्सेशन लॉ दाखयलो. ते सक्सेशन लॉ म्हणलेलो कोण गोंयकार आशिल्लो तो ते पुर्तुगेज कायदो ताका लागतलो इतलेंच. बट इज दीस पर्सन ऑफ गोवन ओरिजीन डेफिनेशन फॉर वॉट ही वॉज सेईंग फॉर प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ गोवन कळ्ळें न्ही. So this is how we would have been able to express all this. We could have been suggestions how we can have a definition. ना chance दिल ना ते सामकें सोमतें केलें. Thank you.
थँक्यू सर.